Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to overlay an image in Canva. So the first thing you have to do is to get your background or your picture set already, and let's assume you want to add another picture. Just go to there are two ways to go about it. If you want to upload a particular photo, you can upload it here. You can click on upload files. This is if the file is already in your system or computer. You can go ahead to add a particular picture and it would appear here. So let's assume I have uploaded this. I can just click on this particular photo. Also, I can go to my element section and type in whatever. Since it's an image, let's just go to the image section. I can choose any image I want to from here. So let's say I want to add this particular image. I can also click on it and it appears this way. So we can see now from here we can rearrange it and make it come out smooth. Let's say I want to do this. I can just expand it to cover the whole page and then reduce the transparency to give it this effect. Good. So I can also animate it if I want to. And I can also send it to the back if I want. So this is how to add an overlay to your image. So even for this picture I added here, the same principle works. We can expand it, we can reduce the transparency, we can send it to the back. Can yes, layer send. Okay, it's already behind. So this is how to add an overlay to your project on Canva. Thank you very much and do have a great day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.